Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Chrome with the Google account that will carry your bookmarks. This links data across devices. Once signed in, open Settings and enable Sync. This is the gatekeeper. Make sure Bookmarks is explicitly toggled on because you can sync everything or select specific types. Do this now so Chrome knows which items to upload. This step stores bookmarks to your Google account, allowing other devices to retrieve them automatically once they also sign in and enable sync. Next, on every device you want synced, install the latest Chrome update, sign into the same Google account, and enable sync. Consistency prevents conflicts. Once done, decide whether to sync everything or pick custom and only include bookmarks. This controls what moves between devices. If you care about privacy, set a sync passphrase. It encrypts your bookmarks and other synced data, and you must enter it on each device. Make sure versions and settings match so Chrome can reconcile bookmarks cleanly. Finally, verify that bookmarks appear where you expect. Open the Bookmarks bar or manager on each device and allow a few minutes for propagation. If items don't show, force a sync by signing out and back in, restarting Chrome, or toggling sync off and on. These actions trigger immediate reconciliation. Make sure all devices run updated Chrome versions. If problems persist, reset sync from your Google dashboard or clear browser cache. This usually resolves stuck or duplicate bookmark issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.